So here's my first peeve of the day. Here on top you can see the slick, which symbolizes a lot of waste of some kind. Not too sure exactly what that is, but it's weird stuff. So this is my first pee after waking up. Pretty crazy. And here's the spinner winner. Tons. Here we go. My first pee of the day, filtration from another angle. Pretty wicked. It's all waste from my lymph system. It's funny to look at, isn't it? I forgot to say the main thing I did differently last night compared to previous nights is I simply dry fasted. So I probably add around I stopped eating and drinking maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours earlier than before. And I went to bed on a much more empty stomach and digestive system. So dry fasting intermittently is the way to go for kidney filtration. Rest your kidneys from peeing, and it cleans out the lymphatic waste through your kidneys. Hey my friends, here's my second pee of today in the afternoon. My kidney filtration. I did some dry fasting lately. I'm doing a water enema per day, filtered water. And I just did some basically some dry fasting. I don't know, maybe 13, maybe 14, 15, 16 hours dry fast. But it's been incredible for my kidney filtration. So yeah, really recommend. There's tons of it there. Usually I never get this much unless it's my midnight pee or first thing in the morning. Usually first thing in the morning is heavy like this, but as you can see it is just really heavy all over. I feel really happy and satisfied. Just eating fruits and broccoli soup lately, that's all. No avocados. Had a bit of Booja ice cream lately too. But yeah, making good progress. Lots of love. I hope you're well. Don't forget that kidney filtration is really important for health. I think being in touch with nature. Lots of love. Have a nice day. And yeah, keep working on your health and you're doing great. Big love and respect to you, for real. Lots of love and respect. Give that to the bushes. Yeah, keep being kind to yourself and others, and praise and complimenting yourself and others. Be kind.